We're gonna talk labs. Yeah, the suckers are amazing. So, I was told to pick one of the products that I like the most, but I can't. So I'm just gonna speak about all of them really quick because they've helped me tremendously. I've only had them a week and a half, and they are amazing. So I just started working night shift 3 weeks ago, and the first week and a half, I was hitting a wall. 3:30 in the morning, I couldn't stay up anymore. I was so tired. I was like, I need a nap. Ever since I started taking the burn, right here, I have not had that issue at all. I'm awake all night long with no issues whatsoever. I'm ready for the gym in the morning. I take my fuel as soon as I wake up or as soon as I get off work, and that's it. I go to the gym, I bust it out. On my way home, I take rest. And I have never had such a better sleep in my life. I couldn't sleep last night. It was my day. It was my night off. I couldn't sleep. I was like, oh my gosh. I took the rest. I was out in like half an hour, like a baby. The recover, I have not been sore since I started taking this. Not really. Like, okay sore, but not like I can't walk around the unit sore. It's been awesome. And the lean, let me just tell you, this, I don't want to snack. The burn, I'm sure, helps a lot with that. But whenever I'm craving something sweet, which doesn't happen often with me, but whenever I'm craving something sweet, I go for my protein shake. I mix it with water, and it's sweet enough for me. It tastes like cake. I mean, it really does. It's so good. The recover and the fuel, they are really sweet. They're watermelon. Watermelon's always sweet, but it's doable. There's definitely some other products I've tried that are like, I'm choking it down, and I don't have that problem with these at all. I think that they are very doable, and I think the price of this program has been very doable. I've bought programs at GNC, Total Nutrition. I've been doing this 5 years, and none of them have ever helped me like these do. They've always been more expensive. I spent $250 to $300 on all of those. So this is very doable. This is very amazing, and I will tell you, I've already lost. I think beforehand I lost 5, and I've lost 7 since then. I've lost 12 pounds in all, but 7 in the week and a half that I've had my labs. So I am very excited to keep trying this. I'm very excited to keep it going, and I hope that you guys love them. And thanks, Kaelin, for making them.